Hello everyone, I just wanted to go over and review the Moomoo app, another financial brokerage firm trading that you can download on iOS and Android. I wanted to compare the features that they offer with Robinhood. So currently Moomoo, it's trading under the ticker symbol FUTU, which is the holding company for Moomoo, that is headquartered in Hong Kong. So there is a little bit of a risk investing in this company because it is associated with China. So there's potential current events that might cause the U.S. to delist Chinese companies. Otherwise, we'll just discuss the fundamentals of the app and what you can do with it. So it's always good to look at competitors of Robinhood if you're a Robinhood investor such as myself, and see what Robinhood could improve on. And one of the big things that Robinhood has innovated on is 24-hour trading, which is great, but also options, making options available to retail traders. And Moomoo also enables you to trade options. And what I found is that Moomoo excels at a good UI in the sense that you get news on relevant stocks that you're looking at. But not only that, you get also 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute charting, which is very useful if you're a day trader. Which Robinhood currently has a live view, but you can't really move that around in the mobile app for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. If you need that level of granularity, you need to use the Robinhood Legend on the desktop. So having that type of granularity in charting on the app would be useful. So I think Robinhood should add that. The next thing is that in Moomoo you can trade options as well, and Robinhood has actually recently brought options chain to the app. So similar to what you see here, how you can see calls and puts side by side, and the premiums that they trade at. So you can trade Nvidia currently trading at $110. You can buy calls at $420, $425, and sell puts at $375, $385 at the same range, which is great. This is a great useful tool. And then if you want to actually trade one of these, you can click onto it, and then similar to Robinhood, Moomoo has the ability to see how you would do over time if the stock trades at 116. You'd be in profit if you bought a call option here, and then if it was trading under 114, the break-even price, then you would lose how much money you would lose per share, per contract. So this is great. Robinhood does this as well. So, but Robinhood just needs to add this this options chain, in my opinion. You can also just do call or put if you're trying to focus on just one thing. Next thing to look at for Moomoo is basically their other tools that they have, which include the ability to trade futures. They have a lower selection than Robinhood, so Robinhood is excelling there. And now if you were to open up a Moomoo account, they give you 4.1% APY on cash, and then I guess if you are a new user, they give you an additional 4% on top, so it makes it 8.1% for I think the first 3 months. So that's a good perk if you're a new user. Looking at the news, they have news similar to if you had a watch list. You can see what the news is. They have earnings, so they can tell you the earnings calendar for things coming up on April 14th for Goldman Sachs, and April 16th ASML has their earnings coming up as well. That's good. So these are all features I think Robinhood also has, but can make it look similar to this UI that we see here. So yeah, that's all for Moomoo. I think Moomoo is a great app. There's stuff that you can add from Moomoo into Robinhood, and it's always good to see what competitors are doing. Thanks for watching. Bye.